Wala yun.
Wala yun.
Look at how they score. Sabang 77-74.
Yeah.
Kay Kahimat 78-73. Si Sabang 76-71.
Decider talaga yung isa. Kasi almost pareho yung identical yung dalawang judges na malayo pero ibang opinion. Doon nagkatalo sa 76-75.
So another split decision win by the fighter Mark Sabang. Pangatlong split yan dito sa ating fight card sa ditong promotion na ito. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we go to our sixth bout, sixth fight here. Akan Lee versus Gerson Baclohan. Sandy Gruma alongside Mr. Alvin Go. Third man in the ring is Angelito Piquero. This is the first professional fight of this gentleman from China, Akan Lee.
Actually, debut nitong Chinese fighter na to. Lee versus Baclohan.
Well, Lee, a very tall fighter.
Yes.
At ito naman si Baclohan, veteran na eh.
We'll see how this fight materialize. Alam ko sa lightweight division to, 132 in a catchweight, borderline ng super feather tsaka lightweight.
Palapit na tayo ng palapit. Yung John Paul Gabunillas at Ramil Roda Jr. PBF Super Flyweight Championship. Mamaya, WBF Silver Flyweight Championship, Jimul Arañas will take on Jarek Noynay. Main event, Jianjing Zhu will take on Ian Paul Abner. Oh! Good connection there by Baclohan. And the last time that Lorenzo Chausi brought a Chinese fighter here, we were in Barangay Tinago and it was an awesome fight.
Dave Peñalosa.
Dave Peñalosa. Kala natin, madali lang kay Dave, pero hindi.
Hopefully makabalik ulit si Dave Peñalosa dito sa Lona, no? So I think he gone somewhere. Sana makabalik siya and he's still holding the title. Maraming humahamon sa kanya. Vietnamese and everybody calling him out. Alam mo, ang sabi nga ni Sir Chausi, isang dream match. Albert Pagara versus
tsaka Dave Peñalosa. Ang tagal ng yan. Pwede niyang i-promote yan eh. Akan Lee versus Gerson Baclohan, an action-packed opening round here. 55 seconds to go. Fist of Fury 10, the eliminator.
Apat na round na match Tikabo.
Oh, 4 rounds na to. Ito yung na-adjust eh. Dapat
Oo.
second round, second fight to eh.
Nakikita mong very raw pa rin yung yung Chinese.
Oh, oh. This is his professional debut and it's happening here in the Philippines, in Cebu, the Queen City of the South.
Sabihin na natin, medyo bizarre yung gano'n.
Oo.
Usually, you making a debut at your
Hometown
hometown
mo.
mo. Pero this time, he go to the somewhere else to make his professional debut. Hindi lang natin malaman kung amateur standout to o marami mga amateur na laban na itong
And of round number 1, Lee versus Baclohan.
medyo bago na itong mga ring girl natin, no?
The professional na eh.
Pumasok na yung mga
Ano?
mas nakakatanda.
Oo.
Di ba?
Oh, lingon ka ng lingon eh.
Oo nga eh. Di ba, hindi naman naka-live eh.
Ibig sabihin ba bukas mag-iiba to?
Oo. So, we go round number 2 of a schedule 4-round affair. Ion Lee versus Gerson Baclohan.
All right, as I mentioned, it's his professional debut. Lee from China making his debut here in the Philippines versus Gerson Baclohan, the veteran. At itong coach ng China, may angas din eh.
Oo. Si Robin Wong.
Oh.
Siya yung chief tactician ni Ding Sang-soo.
When he was asked, hindi ba daw aatras? Tumawa eh. Pero yung si Jing Jiangsu, ang dami ding pinataob.
Nakita ko maglaro yung batang yon. Although hindi na siya bata, 29 years old na yata siya. Nakita ko talaga na relentless talaga yung bata from start to finish. So, it's up to Ian Paul Abney how he responds on the aggressiveness of Ding Sang-soo. So, we will definitely see what will be the result come after two more fights.
Final 2 minutes of round number 2 of a fight scheduled for 4.
So far, I think sabi nga natin, Sir Sandy, yung sabang tsaka yung kahimat.
Entertaining yun.
Show stealer talaga yun. Yun talaga yung mga, meron talagang ganun eh. Sa mga boxing promotion, meron. Kasi ang spotlight nandun na sa main event eh.
Kaya minsan may promotion na yung mga fights na hindi i-air.
Oo.
Yung tago muna to. Pero parang library pero papalabas ka agad pag maganda eh.
Oo. Oh, that body did connect for Baclohan.
Mahirap din ito because Lee is a tall fighter.
Oh, lanky siya eh. Oh, tumama yung Lee.
Oh!
Medyo nahilo si Baclohan doon.
Pero may, sabi mo nga kanya, raw pa itong si ano eh. Oh. Ito mga tao, nagko-coach na rin eh. 34 seconds remaining.
Gerson.
20 seconds remaining of round number 2. Antonio Aldiguer is here.
Siya in the house. Ano mo, it's a rarity. You know? Pag sinabing,
How lucky we are.
oo, alam mo, bihira na siya lumabas to watch boxing. Minsan pag tinatanong ko siya, sir, boxing. Ayoko na, tapos na ako dyan eh. Nagawa ko na lahat. I give everything to boxing. Pero yung mapalabas mo si Serrala, malaking bagay yun.
Oo.
Oh. Round number 3 of this international flavor fight between Ayong Lee versus the Philippines, Gerson Baclohan. So we'll
Ang dami
see.
mga champion dito. Pedro Taduran, Nonito Donaire, Donnie Nietes, Dodi Boy Peñalosa.
Oh,
Yan, kaedad mo yun eh.
idol natin yan eh.
Oo.
Idol.
Oo.
So this is Cebu boxing talaga. Everybody gathered together to watch a promotion like this. Malaking bagay talaga sa boxing to.
This is round number 3 of a fight scheduled for 4. And so far the crowd is entertained right now.
Bagos, nandito pa si Serrala.
Oo.
Di ba? Grabe.
The man behind Pinoy Pride.
Oo.
Umabot yun ng 46 yata.
Yes, 46.
Ako yun dito.
Nakaabot ako noon 4 na. 4 hanggang 46.
Oo. Ako mga sa 30 na eh. Late ako eh. At saka every 2 months yata, sa isang taon may mga 4.
Tsaka ano yan, televised by ABS-CBN.
Yes.
No?
At ang maganda doon, sumikat talaga yung mga boxers nila.
Sumikat.
Nagkapangalan.
Hanggang ngayon.
Puno-puno yung venue.
Oo. Waterfront.
Oo. May isa dito, yung last.
Alam ko Milan Milindo dito eh. Hindi ako nagkakamali.
Pagara yun.
Oo, hindi ko ma-sure kung saan kaya yung Milindo against a Thailander, parang IBF interim.
Baka dito yun.
Oo, eliminator.
Baclohan stays out of trouble. Tried to jab. Lee attacks. This is his professional debut here. .49 seconds remaining of round number 3. Dami natin kakamayan mamaya.
Papapicture ako. Di ba?
Lee versus Baclohan.
30 seconds left of round number 3.
Pag ito nagsasalita, maintindihan mo.
Hindi na ganun kasi ano na eh, ang national language nila Mandarin eh. Dati hindi eh. Parang medyo Hokkien ang salita namin dati. So medyo na balutan na ng medyo mas malalim kasi ang Mandarin eh.
Yung yung 7 years old, galing mag-Chinese.
Oo, malaking advantage sa isang
Ang alam ko lang siya.
oo.
All right, that will be the end of the round number 3. An entertaining fight between Lee and Gerson Baclohan. The crowd is very entertained with the way those two fighters are fighting. Alam mo, hindi natin ma-describe kung sinong ahead no?
Oo. Kasi the way yung judging na nangyayari, pero lahat close eh. 'Di ba?
Ala si Ala.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, we would like to acknowledge the one and only Antonio El Aldiguer.
Hoy, oras mo.
Final round na tayo
Oo.
ng
Ito, tanungin ka natin si Edsel kung sino
Oo.
ang dihado dito.
Oo.
Sabi niya, hindi ako. Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya eh. Mahihain yan eh. We go down to the final round of this.
Kasi sabi nga natin, isa lang yung round na may natumba. Ay, isang fight lang.
Yung Traso. Oo.
Agujar.
Siyempre, lahat ng boksingero want to finish their fight in style, di ba? Oh, tinamaan din.
Final 2 minutes of this final round.
Tapos nito, John Paul Gabonilas na against Ramil Roda for the PBF Super
At parang
Flyweight.
hindi debut fight ito ni Lee, ha?
Oo. Although raw yung galaw niya, yung sting ng punches eh malalakas din.
At saka may tangkad eh.
Oo.
Mahaba, matangkad, mataas.
Pwede natin na sabing may future na.
May future.
Oo.
Oh, Jerson Baclo. Oh, tumama. Tumakbo siya pero tumama.
Mahaba eh.
Tumama ulit. One minute, 2 seconds to go.
Relentless din tong Chinese na to.
Oo.
Gusto niya talagang ipakita sa lahat ng tao na I'm here to stay. Di ba?
$35 seconds remaining.
Again,
And Lee continues to be the aggressive fighter here. Jerson Baclo always staying out of trouble. He dances away, but now he is cornered by Lee.
si Bacloan kasi is more on defensive side on the last few rounds.
Oo.
10 seconds left.
Tumakbo na itong si Bacloan. We have a race inside. And he's raising his hand.
Wow.
And to the dismay of Lee.
Medyo sa iba ayaw nila yun.
Oh naman. All right, we'll wait for the official announcement of the scores. Now let's listen in to Jimmy Domton to announce the score. All right, Akian Lee winning it. His first professional fight here in the Philippines, and he defeated Jerson Baclohan. All right, coming up next, it's the PBF Super Flyweight Championship. John Paul Gabonillas, he will take on Ramil Roda Jr.